This is an Isuzu vehicle which has been parked in my backyard for the last 5 years because I've not been able to find the spares to get it back on the road. But I'm very thankful to Adam Smith from Mesa, who I encountered as I was looking around, as I kept looking around, because I'm trying to get in an engine and a gearbox, a few other spares to get this vehicle back on the road. I drove this vehicle for almost 10 years, going into 12 years, I think. And finally parked it because the engine was giving me a problem. And I met Adam from Mesa, and he has given me new life. And I'm now looking forward to getting it back on the road. This far, he has sent me a new ECU. This is the old one. The new one is in this box. You can even see it looks quite neat if you look at it. There it is. And he has also sent me a set of rear lights. I'm just waiting for the engine and gearbox. Then I should be able to get this beauty back on the road, and then we are on the move. I'm so grateful Adam and Mesa. They're a great team. I'd given up on this vehicle, but now here we are. I would hope that once again I can drive my Isuzu. Oh, this is me. I would hope that I can get my Isuzu back on the road and then enjoy it in my retirement age. Such a good feeling. I'm so happy. Thank you again, Adam.